Hey guys, Alex Bennett here from Agri Spray Drones. In this video, we are going to go over our remote control settings within our main settings. So let's get started with that. If you don't know how to get there, it's the same way as all your flight settings, spray settings, all that. We're going to enter into auto, into our flight screen, top right corner. We're going to go down to the remote control icon. All right, this one's plain and simple. Not a lot you can do here. This is all about setting hotkeys. So, very simple. We have L1, L2, L3, R1, R2, R3 down there, and then we have our B1 and B2 buttons on the back. So these are fully customizable. If we want to change that, we can basically go to here. We can do searchlight, on and off, full spray on, full spray off, corner spray, recorded boundary point. So, if you guys are using the drone to drop boundary points while you're flying or anything like that, you can set that up. Cancel point. This is where you can quick rotate your gimbal forward or back. Positioning RC, locate fields, maps, FPVs. This switch between like your flight map here or your FPV, whatever one's largest. These settings here, if you're in your manual plus settings, change to the left route, change to the right route. This is how you make the drone either slide left or right. You can make the drone turn around in that, because in your manual settings, you can actually shift it left or right and then continue spraying forward, or we can actually tell the drone to turn around. This is where you're going to hotkey your manual horizontal avoidance on, manual horizontal off, manual vertical on, manual vertical off. So quite a few things you can set on your hotkeys. It's pretty plain and simple. Set up whatever you guys want to do. Like I said, you have your left hotkeys, your right hotkeys, and then your back hotkeys. You can do everything, every setting on every hotkey. So that's pretty much it. Thanks.